pretty bird. Freedom, are you on a road trip back to Hilton Head? Say, we're in Alabama. Hi, Freedom.
Hi.
Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Freedom, look at all the pine trees. Hi, Freedom.
Hi.
Hi, Freedom. How are you? Hi, pretty parrot. Alright, guys. Freedom and I actually been on the road. Oh my god, it'll be 37 days total. Freedom, you want to say hi to yourself real fast? Hi, Freedom. Hello. Freedom rides safely in the back seat with the seatbelt on. And look at these beautiful trees. Look how phenomenal. Woo! We just stayed at the Holiday Inn in Gwin, G-U-I-N, Alabama. We got a 7.5 hour drive today. Alright, we're signing off live with Freedom the Parrot. Have a great day.